Hello, folks and professionals. Let's welcome back. Real-time entry question: difference between a purchase group and sales group in SAP or S4 HANA. Sometimes even it looks like a basic question, a lot of intent, internal meaning within that. Okay, let me try to explain you. You know that the attribute sales group is relevant for your sales team. In the similar way, you try to find the opposite notation for your sales group is purchase group. So you have a company, you have a buying requirements, you have a sales requirement. In purchase order, purchase group will be determined. In sales order, sales group will be determined. What is the link between your SD and purchase group and what I would say in sales group, that we are going to define. This is a straight question. So you can tell that, purchase group, which is responsible for buying requirements for our company. So that place where we are trying to raise purchase orders and purchase STOs and all those stuff. Sales group, which is particularly responsible for your sales. Okay. So let's see this. That's what I mentioned. You can see purchase group in material master or vendor master or vendor info record. Okay. Whereas sales group is which is the attribute in a customer master and it's get copied from your customer master to sales document whenever you try to create a document. Let's try to check this one. Okay, so let me go to one of the customer what we have created. For example, let's enter. Okay, some issue. Okay, let's choose this customer. No issues. Go to the sales area data tab. Okay, reconciliation account it is asking. Okay, since it is a mandatory field, that's why it's asking. No issues. This is a new configuration. Reconciliation not available. That's why I have opened in VD02. Now you can able to see this. This is the place where you can able to define your sales groups. Okay, you can able to assign. Otherwise, let me check. If any sales office is defined, sales office and sales group is correlated. So anyhow, let it be. It will give an error. Okay, let's press F1. I'm sorry, I'm extremely sorry. So now you look at the field, right? Okay, VKGRP. Certain projects in my real-time project, the same field we have utilized in different manner. That is different story. Okay, you have it's specifically in a customer master record and it can be used at the time of creating your transactional data. Okay, now go to SPRO reference IMG. So the question answer I have given, sales group is responsible for sales relevant activities like your executives or top management or else sales team, which is particularly responsible going to particular street or else area and to do the sales operations. Whereas the purchasing group is particularly useful for your plant. Either plant wise, one plant wise, different purchase groups will be there. Those buying groups which is responsible to procure the goods for your company, either raw materials or finished goods or semi-finished or sometimes trading goods. For example, how would you say that it is a trading goods? Best example, for example, Big Bazaar. Okay, he is buying goods from different companies to sell. That is trading good one way. Like the pricing is different compared with that company. That we will call it as a secondary level sales. Okay, let's try to check this one. This is simple one. I think a beginners wanted to know. Otherwise, there is no point to understand this one. Okay, so if you can define any one of the sales office, okay, any one of the sales group, so that is particularly useful. So first, let's go and check any sales office is there. Oh, it's not there. So let's do GA000 and my distribution channel is J0. and division is so x0, and let's try to choose some office, any one of the office, no issues, or else you can define your own also, that's not a big deal. Okay, let's take the standard, no issues. You can define, there is, okay, this entry is already available, there is nothing, no problem. So now let's go to xd02, so j0x0, so let me get into, so you can able to choose here the sales office, okay, in the similar way you can able to choose the sales group, that's it. Okay, this is how you can able to define your customer. Let me keep it test. Okay, this is how it happens. So in the similar way you can able to define your purchase group also. Let me show you the configuration. Not required at this point of time, probably I have already shown you. Let me show you this one where it is available. First VA01, okay, I can able to choose my sales office, and I can able to choose my sales group as well. As like this you can able to enter it. Okay, if you go to the header, so let me try to take this guy. Okay, he is only ship to, so new setup, some other errors will come in. Anyhow, that will be there in a header. There is no point to discuss about this. This is entry questions, right? Okay, so that's all for today, guys. If you'd like to learn further, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so this is the place where my channel is available. So if you want, you can subscribe my channel. Okay, so here 411 videos are there. Who wanted to update, if you want, you can able to like subscribe different courses at my end. I'm just providing these links below of this video. And SD, you have 87 hours, 280 lectures, and this is on S4 HANA basics. You can try all these courses. If you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel. Getting master to write a functional specification, this is one of the key course you can try. Okay, irrespective of your module. Thanks for joining the session. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind, folks. All the best, all the best, all the best.